ASANA Interface tutorial. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you use ASANA Interface for 100%. Basically, it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do and use the hacks I will show in this video. So to open the ASANA, we need to go to website asana.com. This is our start page basically, and after that, if you are new to this project, to this service, you need to click on get started and then just create an account using your Gmail or just create a new account in Asana. Basically, it's pretty easy. If you have an account, you can just click on log in. So after that, we'll go to this page here. So this is our work cabinet. Basically, we have free version and paid version. If you will try to find the differences, we can go to pricing, of course. As you can see, we have basic version for free, premium for $11 per month, and business $25 per month. So we can find the differences between them. There are not there are a lot of differences, but still, as you can see, there is basic workflows and automatic workflows differences, free integrations with everyday work apps, including Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Slack, and more, and workflow builder with limited preset rules, forms, custom templates, and advanced integrations. This is pretty useful, so you need to decide what we like to use. Basically, I will show you with basic paid plan, which is really free. So let's get started. So now we are on this page, and in the top of the screen we have search bar, the option to open and close the left side menu, and the from the right side the days left. Of course, we have free trial with maximum paid plan, add billing info if you want to buy paid plan, and of course our account here. We can click and go to account page. In the left side menu we have a home, which is our start page here. On this page we can find the date, the number of tasks we completed, getting started with Messenger. We can use the manager here, our tasks here, and projects. Basically, we can also find the projects in the left side menu, and the tasks are in every single project, but honestly I don't use it so much. Also, tasks I've assigned, so we can find all the tasks which are depends to us, different forms, and people. We can invite your teammates to collaborate in Asana using the mail, so they also have to have their account here. If we'll go to my task in the left side menu, we can see all of our tasks from all boards. As you can see, make video about Asana and some other tasks. We can change the view of this page. As you can see, we can change it to list, change it to board, change it to calendar, and change it to go to files basically. As for me, board is the best way to see all of your tasks, so you can just change the position on every single board and move from for example from here to made, if you'll go to done. Yeah, also the inbox, so here we can chat with our teammates if we have, or do some other stuff. We have the insights here, the reporting, the portfolios, and goals. Honestly, I don't think you'll use it, but if you will, you need to watch some more videos about them. And what is more interesting is our projects here. So we can create a new project by clicking on this plus icon and then just click on new project. So we have blank project, use a template, or import spreadsheet. So we can use a template, but let's start from blank project. So here we need to input our project name. Let it be year plan, privacy public to my workspace or private to project members. I will set private to project members, and the default view, there are 4 of them: list, board, timeline, and calendar. As I already said, as for me, board is the best one, so I will choose the board. Let's click on continue. And what do you want to start? start adding task, share with teammates, or set up a workflow. Let's start from adding tasks. So go to project. And now, as you can see, we are on our board. Basically, we can find the new project in projects area called year plan. This is our project here. So we can still change the view to list, board, calendar, or timeline. And the overview is right up here. So let's go to board view, and what can we see here? We can see different sections like to do, in progress, and complete. We can add a new section. For example, I don't know, let it be like today, for today's tasks. In order to change the order, we can just click and move. For example, let the complete task will be at the end. So we can also rename our sections. If we'll click on more here, we can add a rule to sections. It's for paid plans. We can rename section and add section, for example, add from the right. If we don't want to change the order, or we need to input it in the necessary position. So let's delete it. And of course we have tasks here. In order to add a task, we need to click on plus in the necessary section, or just click on add task at the bottom of the section here. So here we can change at the task name. Let it be task 2 basically. We can click on it and the window with task edit will be opened. We can change the assignee, we can change it to us or invite our teammates. We can change the due date, for example, for today. We can change the time, and we can set it to repeat, for example, if we need to repeat it. We can also add it to another projects. You have maybe month plan or some other stuff. You can click on add to projects and find it here. This is our archived project, so we can add, for example, to archived project like this. As you can see, the mark has appeared. So after that, we can add the description basically, and we can also add some styles for our description and add some subtasks. Maybe if we have in task 2 some subtasks, some subtask 1, subtask 2, subtask 3, and we can click on it and then just mark. As you can see, just click on it was completed, it was completed, it was completed. The number of subtasks will appear right up here. So this is a way of how can we deal with tasks. We can also click and drag and drop it to the next necessary section, and if it's completed, we can just click on completed and then just move it to the last section. What is also interesting is that we can create the project for all the completed, for example, tasks, and then just move it to all the tasks to the completed. So let's click on plus, new project, blank project, and let it be done. Also board and continue, go to projects. So here I will just add only one section, so all of them will be repeated, only one will stay here, and let it be done. So after that, we can, for example, we have completed task here, we can just click on it and move it from these projects to the project called done and done. So after that, we can delete it from our projects and it will be moved to the archive, so-called. So here we can find all the tasks which were completed for all the time. I think it's pretty helpful and useful. Basically, these are the main interfaces. I think that's basically all you'll need to use it. We can also click on customize here. We can add some fields, as you can see. We can add some rules. We can add some apps. For example, rules, what does it mean? When something happens, something will be performed. For example, if we clicked on task was confirmed, it will be automatically moved to done. So we can make it happen with the rule section here. We can also add some apps, build integrating workflows with the tools your teams use the most, like Slack, GitHub, Google Drive, Figma, and others. Add some forms and some tasks completed. Basically, I think that's all for the quick interface tutorial. Hope this video helped you out. If it is, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below.